Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain if Vegas Belly Reviews United States is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any kind of fraud over this website, then watch the video till the end. I will share you the way to get your money back. Moving forward, let us see what this website is offering to the customers. This website offers incredible gourmet food and gifts delivered worldwide. They have some packages. These are some seafood packages available. These are their products. Let us take a look at this product. This is Snow Crab Holiday Box. It costs you around $100 and it is 10 lbs. Let us see the payment methods. They accept PayPal and Amazon Pay. Let us see the shipping details. We can ship to virtually any address in the world. Note that there are restrictions on some products and some products cannot be shipped to international destination. Also, they have said that their shipping and delivery dates are based on the availability of the food and the options we choose. Therefore, it depends on several factors. Okay, now moving forward, let's talk about some legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I request you all to please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge if this website is a legit or a scam website. Okay friends, as we have seen, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means that the payment gateway is safe and secured. Also, I've checked on whois.com the registration of this website and I found that it has been registered on 23rd of July 2020, which means that this is a few months old website and hence it is not reliable because it is very new. Let us check the about us information. We can see this is a small description of the website and there are no images provided regarding the website. Also, I have checked the content over here. It has been claimed that it is more than 80% plagiarized, that is, it has been copied from somewhere else and hence it is not reliable. This is a negative point. Moving further, talking about the product, there is no product detailing available and there are no variety of images available. Okay, now let us see the contact details. They are provided with a physical address, that is 450 East Silverado Ranch, 118 Las Vegas, Nevada 89183. I have checked on Google Map if this is a verified address or not. This building is present over there and hence it is not false. Also, they are provided with a phone number for any customer care related query. Okay, as I have seen, there is no social media presence over this website. Taking a look at the return policy, they say that you may return most new unopened items within 30 days of delivery for a full refund. Okay, within 30 days, if you have not opened the item and for the new item, if they can return you, they can give you the return also, and if it is their fault, they can also pay you for their shipping charges. Okay, this is a great point. Overall talking, I have checked on Google if there are any customer reviews regarding the products purchased on this website and I have found that there are no such reviews available. Also, talking about the website content quality, I find out that the content here is more than 80% plagiarized and it has been copied from somewhere else and hence it is false. Also, the images provided are not well defined. Product specification is also not that great. Overall, I would conclude that this website is possibly a scam. Therefore, I would suggest you guys that before buying anything from this website, please do your own research. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. Friends, we read all your comments on our every video. So keep on commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.